Meet Anna. She loves traveling, playing sports, and hanging out with her friends. But whenever it is that time of the month, Anna becomes a completely different person, sad and irritable. She spends all day in bed. Period cramps, muscle aches, and body pain make it impossible for her to do the things she enjoys. She cancels all plans with her friends, hates being active, and just wishes for the pain to go away. Anna has tried every possible remedy, but nothing helped her get rid of her PMS symptoms. If only there was something Anna could do to have a happy and pain-free period. Anna has always had painful cramps that made it impossible to have carefree periods. She became sure that there is nothing out there that can keep the pain away and bring back her energy. Just when she was about to give up hope, one fine night, while scrolling through Instagram, she came across Power Gummies. Then she discovered that time of the month period pain gummies to support good health of menstruating women that keep stomach cramps, mood swings, bloating, acne, and other PMS symptoms away. She decided to give it a try. Formulated with natural ingredients like milk thistle extract, passion flower extract, vitamin B6 and vitamin C, chessberry extract, and more. These period relief gummies regulate hormones and help reduce PMS and period-related issues. Vitamin C prevents iron deficiency and repairs body tissues. Vitamin B6 reduces a broad range of PMS symptoms and mood swings. Milk thistle extract treats PMS-borne acne and treats prickled and inflamed skin. Passion flower extract, clinically proven to relieve anxiety and help get a sound sleep, regulates body temperature, relaxes muscles. Chessberry extract regulates hormone production, reduces painful PMS-related cramps and fullness of breasts. Magnesium sulfate relieves anxiety, insomnia, and mood swings. Citrus bioflavonoids eases blood flow through the body, eliminating the chances of a blood clot. Anna decided to give these gummies a try. Will this finally be answer to all her prayers? Here is Anna today on her period, but living life on her own terms. She no longer cancels plans and her periods don't keep her away from being happy and carefree, even when she's PMSing. From enjoying her vacation to going along with her friends' impromptu plans, Anna now does it all. Anna can let go of all her worries and enjoy a painless period with just 2 gummies a day. 3 days before the due date of menstrual cycle, 4 days during the cycle, and for 3 days after the cycle. And here is the best part. That time of the month period pain gummies are super yummy too. They are easily chewable with a strawberry flavor. Not only that, the gummies are vegan, gelatin-free and gluten-free. Truly health-powered by happiness and backed by science. She's finally ready to take charge of her health and does not let periods control her life anymore. Shop Power Gummies, that time of the month period pain gummies at www.powergummies.com.